How to find permanent address certificate application status in Karnataka state. Open the browser and type Nada Kacheri. First one. Open Nada Kacheri website. This is the home screen. Here on the application, online application, click. Then on the drop down menu, apply online. Here enter your mobile number. So in this screen you need to enter your mobile number, then OTP come to your mobile number, feed that OTP here, and finally the captcha code here that displaying here, enter that captcha code and finally enter to login. Now from here, if you are comfortable in Kannada, you can continue or you can choose the language English. Here on the top menu, get application status, click this one, enter your acknowledgement number here. So friends, as soon as you enter inside, your screen will be like this. Acknowledgement number, that is starting with RD followed by the numbers, and this is the current status is like showing permanent resident certificate application is pending with Bangalore Urban District, Bangalore East Taluk, Bidrahali, Hubli Village Administrative Officer for field verification. This is where your permanent resident certificate application is pending. And below you will find your name, your father name or husband name, your mobile number, how you submitted this online, offline, your mother name and the address. And when you scroll down below from that screen, this is the application status history that is showing here, where it is showing like application status history. District is Bangalore Urban, Taluk Bangalore East, Hubli is Bidrahali, village BBMP, or you can ignore this, and the status is pending in pink color. Pending, where it is pending is village administrative officer. The status starting from the beginning, and operator on this date time application received, deputy tahsildar not applicable, and currently it is residing here in village administrative officer. Like this it will proceed, and finally if everything is approved, all these parties including revenue inspector, tahsildar and operator, everything, then finally you will receive your permanent resident certificate by this date, due date. Below, list of documents that you have uploaded: affidavit, self-affidavit, that annexure 1 form, e-signed application, property ownership document, like this person has given the property documents, property ownership document for the residential property for at least 10 years. By clicking here, you can see all your documents. So at present, this is under progress. It is not approved yet. I'll create another video. I'll showcase you like when it is approved, how the status looks like, and what is the next step to get the permanent residence certificate downloaded. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and I believe this video gives you insight how to check the status of your application. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. Thanks for watching.